years I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, we're checking out the GA400. This is a action camera by WOLFANG, so I'm excited. You guys have probably seen me review some of their other stuff. I actually do like their action cameras. They are budget-friendly action cameras, and they perform very well. We're going to test out the footage, but also show you guys what you get in the box, accessories, all that stuff. We're not going to waste your time. I know people like to see the footage. They like to see, you know, as you're using it, so let's go start. And just to confirm, 4K 60 frames per second. And it is touchscreen. So for a lot more features, make sure you check out your manual. Obviously, if we went through everything, we would probably be here for a couple hours. So let's just show you guys what you get. You guys, they give you a remote, so you can record and take photos with your remote. That's something GoPro never adds. You always got to buy these aftermarket stuff, and it just gets so really frustrating. So I'm glad this company puts these in there. You get 2 batteries, and you get tons of accessories, brackets, straps, mounting brackets. Looks like a lens protector, which is very important. Just all different brackets. That's for a bicycle, scooter, or do it yourself. You get a charging cable in here. The only thing I will say about the company that I hope in the future they upgrade is their cable system. So I hope in the future they'll upgrade from just the micro little plug here. I hope they go to a Type-C. Type-C is very important, so I really hope that, if anything, that's all that I have for the company. You know, that's really, you know, I love the company. I like all their products. I've reviewed a lot of different things, so I don't really have much bad to say about the company because it's always performed very well. It's a good budget-friendly company versus, say, GoPro, but they gotta upgrade to a Type-C. Guys, this is a waterproof case that I absolutely love. Unlike a lot of the GoPro housing, these are easy to open and close and are very sealed. Now, you know, I sound like I'm knocking on GoPro. I absolutely love GoPro. GoPro is one of my favorite brands, but this brand is definitely one of my favorite budget brands. So if you're looking for a budget action camera brand, this definitely is it. So you put your SD card in there, you put your battery inside there. This is the action camera itself, and you can mount these on tripods directly. You don't need any special adapters. For opening, and this is something, again, that's better than GoPro. For opening and sliding, let's say the battery compartment, you can't slide that open, but all you do is you press this button down and push out, and it slides right open. Like, that is awesome. So much stuff that I wish GoPro would do. Now, there's a lot of things that GoPro is way better at than these cameras, but for a budget, you really can't complain with these cameras. They're very nice. And then here's, you gotta also charge it right inside there as well. But overall, very nice camera. Let's go ahead and show you some footage. Or close to nighttime in the evening, but it's not too bad here. It was a little annoying, all the people that were back there a little bit. So guys, we did not end up going the whole way. We went 5 miles. There's a lot of people back there and a lot of people up here as well. I'm gonna go sometime at the crack of dawn, early in the morning.